Welcome back to GPTAIclips. What if your Claude code stopped being a chatbot and started being a senior bug hunter? Not just answering security questions, but actually running the engagement. Recon, map, hunt, validate, and report. That is exactly what Claude-BugHunter does, and it is completely free. It has 1.8 thousand stars on GitHub, 71 skills, 681 disclosed HackerOne report patterns, and covers 24 vulnerability classes. It is MIT licensed, and it works with Claude Code, OpenCode, Codex CLI, and Hermes Agent. The free PDF guide with all the install commands and skill tables is linked in the description below. Hit subscribe so you do not miss the next tool breakdown. Let us get into it. So what does Claude-BugHunter actually do? It is a 4-layer skill stack that transforms Claude Code from a generic assistant into a focused security researcher. The 4 layers are Think, which loads the bug hunting mindset, Hunt, which activates the vulnerability playbooks, Perimeter, which handles recon and attack surface mapping, and Ship, which structures the report. The key thing, the right skills load automatically based on what you are working on. You do not need to manually invoke anything. Claude figures out from context which playbooks to activate. Installing takes about 30 seconds. If you are using the plugin marketplace, the command is /plugin marketplace add elementalsouls /Claude-BugHunter, then /plugin install Claude-BugHunter at elementalsouls. If you prefer the copy method, git clone the repo, cd into it, and run bash scripts /install.sh. If you want to install across all 4 supported harnesses at once, add the all flag and the burp-mcp flag. Bash scripts /install.sh -all-burp-mcp. That single command covers Claude Code, OpenCode, Codex CLI, and Hermes Agent simultaneously. Authorization note: Anthropic's cyber verification program is recommended for bug bounty and Pentest work. Now let us talk about what you actually get. 71 skills across 10 categories. Web hunting covers 13 skills including the classics: XSS, SQL injection, SSRF, and IDOR. Auth and identity adds 7 skills for OAuth, JWT, and session attacks. API and infrastructure brings 15 more for cloud and API abuse. Advanced and concurrency has 6 skills for race conditions and async attack patterns. Then you have framework-specific, enterprise identity and cloud, infrastructure and appliance, red team Tradecraft, Recon and OSINT, and workflow and reporting. The workflow layer alone has 11 skills dedicated to structuring reports and managing evidence. Under the hood, those 71 skills are backed by 681 real disclosed HackerOne report patterns curated across 24 core vulnerability classes. This is not theory. These are patterns extracted from real, paid-out bug bounty reports. The skill catalog page shows the full breakdown with exact harness compatibility for each skill. Here's what it looks like in practice. From the README, you open Claude Code and type m-testacme.com for common web vulnerabilities. Claude-BugHunter immediately kicks into the 5-phase workflow: Recon, Map, Hunt, Validate, Report. It auto-loads Web 2 Recon, Offensive OSINT, and the Bug Bounty Methodology skill without you having to invoke any of them manually. Within seconds, it returns a ranked attack surface, subdomain enumeration results, JavaScript endpoint extraction, potential SSRF vectors, and an IDOR candidate on the user profile endpoint. It then walks through the 7-question gate to check authorization before attempting to validate anything. The VRT-aware severity layer automatically assigns a CVSS style score to each finding. Every output is structured and ready for your report template. This is the researcher workflow baked directly into your editor. No context switching, no separate tools, no manual prompting between each phase. Enterprise mode is where Claude-BugHunter goes beyond typical bug bounty tools. It has dedicated chains for M365 and Intra, Okta, vCenter, and SSL-VPN appliances. The knowledge base covers CVE patterns from 2024 and 2025, so it understands the current threat landscape for these platforms. SharePoint and Cloud IAM attacks are built in, including post-credential escalation paths. Supply chain and Android APK analysis are also covered. If you are doing red team work against enterprise infrastructure rather than just web apps, this is where Claude-BugHunter earns its reputation. There are 4 dedicated attack matrices: enterprise identity and cloud, infrastructure and appliances, advanced recon, and red team Tradecraft. Each matrix maps to real CVE chains that were disclosed in the last 2 years. Before you hunt, there is a safety layer built into every session. The 7-question gate fires before any exploit attempt. It checks. Do you have written authorization? Is the target in scope? What is the potential impact? Can you reproduce without causing damage? Have you documented your steps? Does evidence contain any PII that needs scrubbing? And is this finding VERT aligned? The evidence hygiene system strips PII from screenshots and logs automatically. VERT-aware severity scoring maps findings to the vulnerability rating taxonomy, so your reports match what bug bounty platforms expect. For programs that require it, enroll in the Anthropic Cyber Verification Program to unlock safeguard adjustments for authorized engagements. So should you install it? If you do bug bounty, penetration testing, or external red team work, the answer is yes, absolutely. The 71 skills, 681 real-world patterns, and the 5-phase nonlinear workflow give Claude Code a genuine operational upgrade. It stops being a chatbot that answers security questions and starts being a researcher that drives the entire engagement from Recon to final report. The limitations to know: it is designed for external authorized targets. Internal Active Directory and on-prem domain work is out of scope by design. You still need your own authorization paperwork and scope agreement. The tool augments judgment. It does not replace it. The free PDF guide in the description has the full skill table, all install commands, the enterprise chain reference, and the demo walkthrough. If this was useful, like the video and subscribe to GPTAIclips for more tool breakdowns. I will see you in the next one.